Walking towards the house here, 368 Hawthorne Avenue East in St. Paul, Minnesota. Heading towards the front door. Here's the living room. So you can see, let's head over to the dining room. There's the patio, walking out, and then this is the kitchen. Plenty of cabinets, sink, stove, refrigerator. Let's head towards the, this is the bedroom. We're heading into the bedroom. Bedroom number 1. This is the main floor bathroom. You see it's a full bathroom. We're walking into the second bedroom on the main level. We're going to head down to the basement. Here's the kitchen again. Here are the stairs. There's the door to the garage. Let's head down to the basement. This is the family room. This is the third bedroom in the lower level. And then, see there's a closet right there. This is the 3/4 master bath. We're going to head into the mechanical room. This is the furnace. It's the laundry tub. This is the unfinished area. You could make it into maybe an office or something. We're going to head out into the backyard. Here's the backyard. This is the, there's the air conditioning. There's the backyard. Pretty good sized yard, fenced in. There's a big tree. There's a garden area. This is the back of the house. You can see. Pretty nice house in a nice neighborhood. Check us out. My number is 952-994-6988. I'm with Remax. Thank you.